In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change name on Ryanair's website. If you've updated your personal details or you want your profile to match your travel documents, this quick walkthrough will help you edit the name stored in your Ryanair account. Keep in mind, updating your profile name is different from changing the name on an existing flight booking. I'll note the difference as we go so you know what to expect. Start by opening your browser and going to the official Ryanair website. Make sure you're on the genuine site before you continue. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log into your account so you can access your profile settings. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the profile icon or your account area there. Click that area to open your account options. This is where Ryanair groups your personal details, payment methods, and travel preferences, so it's the right place to make changes to your name. From the menu that appears, select My Account. This takes you to your account homepage, where you can see your saved information. Here, find the section that displays your personal details and click Edit. The Edit button opens the fields you can change, including your first name and last name. In the name fields, carefully enter your new name exactly as you want it to appear. For travel, consistency matters, so it's smart to match the spelling on your passport or national ID. Avoid adding nicknames or extra characters. If your name includes special characters or multiple surnames, enter them precisely as shown on your identification. Double-check capitalization and spacing, and make sure you're not accidentally editing other details you didn't intend to change. When you're satisfied everything looks correct, click Save. You should see a confirmation or your updated name reflected on the page. If the site asks you to confirm the change, follow the on-screen prompt. If you run into an error, try refreshing the page, signing out and back in, or using a different browser to complete the update. A quick note on what this change does. Editing your name here updates your Ryanair profile for future activity, but it typically won't modify the passenger name on any bookings you've already made. If you need a name change on an existing ticket, Ryanair handles that separately under Manage Booking and may apply fees, so review their policy before you travel. That's it. Your Ryanair account name is now updated. Before you wrap up, consider logging out and back in to verify the change has stuck and check any upcoming bookings to ensure your passenger details are correct. Safe travels.